Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can match cut audio in CapCut PC. So if you want to sync your audio perfectly with your video in a CapCut PC, this tutorial will show you how you can match cut audio effortlessly for smooth and professional edits. So in here, what you need to do is just add your materials and also the audio. Here I'm going to just use audio from CapCut. Okay, let's say I'm going to just add this one. You can, if you use the one from CapCut, you need to download it first, and then after that you can just tap on the plus icon. Okay, so once it's added, if you want to match cut, you can just click on the audio here and then go to this mark beats option. So you can do it manually by clicking on this add marker, but you need to see the beats and you can mark it manually. But I'm suggesting you to just use this one, the mark beats AI from CapCut. So you can click on this and choose between beats 1 or beats 2. Let's say I'm going to go with beats 2. And as you guys can see, it will automatically mark like this. Now what you need to do is just cut your photo or videos use following the mark. So in here, let's just cut from or trim it like this. And after that, your videos or photo will sync perfectly with the bits. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.